Hey, this is Tropical Storm Ida, and I'll be doing a few videos to keep you updated on the events that's going on, like I do with Claudette. Looks like this one's going to be worse than Claudette was. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's been raining since about 9 this morning. The rain hasn't picked up very much, or I mean the wind, but you can see the crepe myrtle move. Although we've had a few big gusts of wind, but right now it's about the distance of Mobile away from us, but by tonight it should be like heading pretty close toward us. And the wind's been kind of like this since this morning too. Since Ida's moving super duper slowly. As far as I know, it's moving like at least 10 miles an hour. Well, that was the last time I checked yesterday, but yeah. Alright. In a couple hours, I'll get you more updates on the tropical storm. That was a hurricane this morning. And see you later. Bye. Hey, this is another up-to-date forecast on Tropical Storm Ida. The wind's definitely picked up. You can see the trees moving. And it's still raining, although it stopped for a few brief seconds and it's raining again. Ida's, apparently she's gonna go right over us in Crestview and follow basically down I-10. Which is hilarious because it's actually gonna follow all the way down I-10. I'm not kidding. But yeah. There's a lot more wind. You can hear it. And right now, Mark's the cameraman. Should make landfall sometime tonight.
Midnight.
And it'll get to us by I don't know when, but tomorrow morning we'll probably have a ton of wind. Hey, this is another update on Tropical Depression Ida. Apparently she turned into a Tropical Depression last night. But apparently we got some more rain. And the wind's still high. And about a few seconds ago there was some wind. But she didn't hit us. She went directly over, basically around us. So she went north to Crestview, and now she's a tropical depression in Alabama. Which is kind of disappointing, but hey, we got quite a bit of rain, so yeah. We still got the wind picked up a little bit. do another update on it in a few hours, and I'll see you later. Bye.